Because one of the issues right now we're seeing in the market is that paywalls aren't flexible enough. Companies are forced to put their strategy based on what the paywall is doing and what
trying
the
to
paywall
fit into
can
the
do.
box that they're offering, as opposed to design it to fit their needs.
Exactly. And so we're seeing this a lot. And this is one of the reasons, that clients will gravitate towards this is when they want to do something and they realize, okay, a plugin is not going to be able to do that. And so, okay, maybe I can do something and kind of work around it, but I won't be able to A/B test, but that's fine for now.
Yeah.
Which brings us to the next point in the checklist is not only should it do what you want now, it needs to grow with you and be flexible enough to do what you want to do in the future, which you might not necessarily know. You probably won't or shouldn't know, because you should be testing and then discovering what you actually want to do in the future. So that's definitely another one, is make sure that it's going to be able to scale with you, and that flexibility is going to translate beyond just your current needs. And then the third one I would say as well is that it needs to work with your entire system. It needs to speak to the tools that you're using. If you're using an email service provider, something like a MailChimp, it needs to be easily integrated with that. It needs to be easily integrated with if you have your own data lake or data house that you're sending data to, or your preferred CDP or analytics platform. It needs to sync and speak with these things. Commenting systems, all that stuff, because you want a single user experience. You want a single source of truth. You want all of that data to be in one place. And of course, you need that to be very flexible. What we always say is the right balance is that marketing has to be able to use it to make changes without having to go back to tech. But tech needs to be able to go in and customize every single detail they want if they really want to. Because you're not going to open it up everything and make it extremely flexible for marketing. There's always going to be some limitations. What's important is that those limitations can be overcome by the technical aspect through APIs, webhooks, JavaScript, React elements, things that you can customize easily. And I don't know if I said the last thing, but I'll add one more, is make sure you're working with a company that can actually support you. We hear this a lot about customer service being either something that, clients that have come to Pelcro have come because that was one of the biggest reasons, and you wouldn't really think about it. Usually we're consumed by the tech and does it work, does it not? But having a partner with you as you embark on this paywall journey,
like an actual human that can help answer your questions,
absolutely, and give you guidance, give you recommendations. I mean, a lot of the stuff we've been saying today is it depends on this, it depends on that. It's always more helpful to have someone who understands your business, your goals, what you're trying to do, and can then help you comment on the different ways you're approaching it and see what's been done similarly, what they've seen. And so it's very important to have a good partner there, even in a technical sense. If you want to do an integration or a custom integration or something like that, you need the partner to guide you or move things faster at the very least.
Absolutely.